Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to unlock sheet in Excel. So to unlock the sheet, first we will lock this entire sheet. Click here to highlight the sheet and go in Review tab, and here you can see Protect Sheet. Write password 123. Click on OK and again confirm password. OK. Now the sheet is protected. You cannot write anywhere in this sheet. So to unlock this sheet, simply go in Unprotect Sheet. Click on this and give password 123. Click on OK, and now the sheet is unprotected. You can write anywhere where you want. So this is how you can unlock the sheet in Excel. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.